First, go to the Filter Gallery Pro plugin menu. And click on the Create New Gallery button. Now give a name or title to the gallery. Now we will create some parent and child filters. Using the upward and downward caret buttons, you can change the filter position. Now click on Gallery button. Click on Upload Images button to open Media Upload panel. Upload images from your media library, and click on Select button to add selected image to the gallery. Now assign the filters to the All Images. Double-click on the Select filter to open Filter List. And assign the related filter to the image like we doing. Click on the Setting button and then Shortcode button. Now copy the gallery shortcode. Now create a page, give a page title, and paste the copied gallery shortcode and publish the page. Now click to View Page button to check the final preview of the filter gallery. Thanks for watching the video. Filter Gallery free and pro plugin link in the video description. Please like, share.